All right, Trading Card Club live Thursday, October 15th. This is our 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time break. We've got 1 mega, 2 blasters, and 2 hangers of the Mosaic football. All right, just going to give it a few minutes before we get started. We'll get started about 2 minutes after. Again, this is the 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time break with 1 mega, 2 blasters, and 2 hangers of the Mosaic football. Give it about 1 more minute or so before we get started. We will get started with the hangers, then we'll do the blasters, and we will end off with the mega. All right, Kyle. Yeah, first break. We're glad that you chose the Trading Card Club. Definitely a good spot to start. Good luck to you on getting those cards that you want. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Alrighty, we've got LT, Ben Roethlisberger, Zach Thomas, Daniel Jones, Mark Andrews, Aaron Rodgers, Christian McCaffrey, Darius Leonard, Deion Sanders, Silver Prism, Yannick Ngakoue, Orange Reactive, Melvin Gordon. There's a nice one there for the Ravens. Ben W. with the Orange Reactive, Lamar Jackson. Nice hit. Nice hit there for Green Bay. Matt B. with the A.J. Dillon NFL debut, Orange Reactive. Nice hit. And Chris Conley, Orange Reactive. Flea Flicker for Seattle. Old School Ed Reed. Hall of Fame Randy Moss. Base Henry Ruggs. Nice one there for the Raiders. Juan N. Loading up on those in the breaks. Mark Andrews Pro Bowl. And a Patrick Queen. All right, hanger number 2. Got a DK Metcalf, Devin McCourty, Terry McLaurin, Sam Darnold, Brian Burns, Jeff Saturday, Odell Beckham, Chandler Jones, Von Miller, and a Marshawn Lynch Silver Prism. We've got a reactive Cooper Kupp, a reactive Tyler Hill, and a Tom Brady's reactive MVP for the Patriots. Nice hit there for the Pats. Jamal Adams reactive. Got game Adam Thielen. Old school Jerry Rice. And a Joey Burrow base. Nice hit there, Joe S. Harrison Smith, Pro Bowl. Kenneth Murray. And an A.J. Dillon NFL debut. We got the reactive and the base on that. All right. Let's go ahead and get started with the blaster. Got a Cortland Sutton, Adam Thielen, Bobby Wagner, and a Silver Prism Adam Thielen. Got a John Brown, Deshaun Watson, Jeff Okudah, and a Got Game Keenan Allen. Charles Tillman, Alvin Kamara, Josh Allen, and a Kevin Green, Green Prism Hall of Fame. There's a Patty Mahomes base, DeAndre Hopkins, Hall of Fame Bradshaw, and an old school Dan Marino. Terrell Davis, Carson Wentz, DK Metcalf, and a DJ Shark Green Prism. Josh Allen, Devontae Adams, James Morgan, and a Silver Prism Will to Win Jerry Rice. Nice little stab there, San Francisco. Khalil Mack, Devin McCourty, Terry McLaurin, and a Cam Chancellor Green Prism. Gardner Minshew, Myles Garrett, NFL debut Chase Young, and a touchdown Masters Tom Brady. Christian Kirk, Taysom Hill, Josh Jacobs, and a green prism Jimmy G. Stephon Diggs, T.Y. Hilton, Zach Moss, and a Rob Gronkowski silver. Nice hit there for the Buccaneers. Matt B. AJ Green, Miles Sanders, Jalen Ramsey, and a green prism Hall of Fame Bradshaw. Chris Jones, Roger Staubach, Hall of Fame Michael Irvin, and a green prism old school Jerry Rice. Couple nice colored cards for Jerry Rice. Marquise Brown, Debo Samuel, John Riggins, and a Fitz green prism. Jordy Nelson, Julius Peppers, A.J. Dillon base, and a got game Ezekiel Elliott. Dwight Freeney, Jamal Adams, Cooper Kupp, and a Genesis Charles Tillman. Nice hit there, Kirk R. Dope looking card right there. Sorry, Drake. Name that we had there. Same last name, though, so you definitely have the Bears. That one's yours, Drake. Nice hit. Nice Bears hit right there. Welcome to the break, O-Dog. I don't think the Genesis are one of one. They're not numbered, but they're definitely very rare. Baker Mayfield, Barry Sanders, Kirk Cousins, and a will to win Drew Brees. Alrighty, guys. Got some pretty nice color and a Joey Burrow back there so far. Let's get into this mega box. Emmitt Smith, Lamar Jackson Pro Bowl, green reactive, Roger Staubach, and a silver prism, Brett Favre for the Packers. Jerry Rice, Van Jefferson. There's a nice hit there for Green Bay. Jordan Love, green reactive. Nice hit, Matt B. And we've got Touchdown Masters, Tom Brady. Mark Andrews. Nice Dallas Cowboys hit right there. CeeDee Lamb NFL debut. Nice hit, Chad A. We've got a green reactive Sony Michel. And a silver Cam Chancellor. Tom Brady, KJ Hamler, Chris Jones, green reactive, and an old school Peyton Manning, green prism. Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers MVP. Ooh, sick hit right there for Kansas City. The MVP's green reactive Patty Mahomes. Nice hit, Chad M. Nice hit right there. And we've got, backing that up, a silver prism Matt Stafford. Curtis Martin, Michael Pittman Jr., Nick Bosa, and a Got Game Saquon. Christian McCaffrey. There's an NFL debut, Justin Herbert. Nice grab right there for Vale M for the Chargers. AJ Green, green reactive. And a will to win Julio. Jared Goff, Justin Jefferson. There's a nice hit there for the Colts. Jonathan Taylor, green reactive. Nice hit again, Matt B. And flea flicker for the Jags. Got a Darius Leonard, Hall of Fame Brian Urlacher, Dan Marino, green reactive, and a silver Tyler Johnson. Nice hit there again for Tampa Bay. Matt B's cleaning house. Alrighty, last pack of the break, and then we'll go over the hits of the break. Jimmy G, a Justin Herbert base, nice hit there. T.Y. Hilton, green reactive. And a green prism, Todd Gurley, touchdown, Masters. Didn't read yet. Yep, our next break is at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then we've got one at 7 and 8 o'clock as well. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got here for hits. That's what's up, Drake. Nice hit on that Tillman. Alrighty, we got the Herbert Lamar Jackson, orange reactive. Joey Burrow base. MVPs, Tom Brady, orange reactive. Green reactive, Jordan Love. Will to win, silver prism, Jerry Rice. Jonathan Taylor, green reactive. NFL debut, Herbert. NFL debut, CeeDee Lamb. Silver, Tyler Johnson. Patty Mahomes, MVPs, green reactive. That's a dope card right there for the Kansas City Chiefs. But we pulled the Jenny. Got the Genesis out of there. Like I said, it is not numbered. They are very rare. Not exactly sure how many there are, but they're definitely rare pulls. And it's Peanut Tillman, so if you're a Bears fan, you got to love this card. Alrighty, guys. As always, we appreciate you joining the breaks. Like I said, we've got another one at 6, 7, and 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Take a look at those through the link in the bio on our Instagram. If you have not gotten in any other future breaks, take a look. Other than that, you guys have a good rest of your night.